Hey everyone, welcome back to Tales and Facts by Winnie, where little stories bring big changes. Now just take a look around you. The toothbrush you used this morning, the water bottle on your table, even the wrapper from your favorite snack. What do they all have in common? Plastic. It's everywhere. It's cheap, it's convenient, but it's also one of the biggest threats to our planet. But don't worry, today we are not just talking about problems, we are talking about solutions. Let's dive into how you, your family, and even your school can take small steps to reduce plastic and protect our future. You would be surprised how much plastic sneaks into your day. Let's be honest, plastic is in almost everything we touch. Toothbrushes, remotes, shampoo bottles, food packagings, grocery bags, plastic bottles, plastic containers, plastic chairs, online packaging, pens. Used once, thrown away, but never truly gone. Plastic lingers in nature for hundreds of years, harming animals, oceans, and the earth. Small swaps make big difference. You don't have to be perfect to help the planet. Just begin here by replacing plastic toothbrush with bamboo toothbrush, plastic bottles with steel or glass bottles, plastic bags with jute bags, cling film with beeswax wraps, plastic straws with steel straws, plastic containers with glass jars, disposable plastic plates with Erica leaf plates, disposable cups with mud cups, or carry your own cup. One habit at a time, and the earth starts to heal. We can't avoid all plastic, but we can recycle it smartly. Do you know that Adidas crafts shoes made from ocean plastic waste? Waste-filled bottles transformed into sturdy eco bricks. India is building roads using recycled plastic. Innovative machines convert plastic waste into fuel. But only 9% of all plastic is actually recycled. So reducing and reusing still matter the most. Kids follow what they see. Parents and schools lead the way. If we want a greener tomorrow, it starts in our homes, grows in our classrooms, and blossoms in our celebrations. At home, your everyday habits are your child's biggest lessons. Carry your own reusable bag and water bottle everywhere. Try to make plastic-free home. Join cleanup drives with your kids. Celebrate every eco-friendly choice. Schools, they can shape generations. Hold no plastic days and build active eco clubs. Make reusable lunch containers the norm. Run recycling drives and tree planting events. Include environment-focused lessons and books. Display inspiring posters and art across the campus. In your celebrations, go green when you party. At weddings, use plastic-free buntings and reusable plates to celebrate beautifully and sustainably. At birthdays, swap balloons for fabric buntings and potted plants. Serve homemade treats in reusable containers. Give guests eco-friendly return gifts instead of plastic items. When government lead, people follow. In Germany and Norway, bottle deposit return systems achieve over 95% recycling rates through supermarket machines. Ireland's 2024 bottle scheme collected 1.6 billion cans and bottles in just over a year, cutting litter by half. In Karnataka, India, reverse vending machines give 1 rupee for every plastic bottle returned, turning waste into reward. When parents, teachers, communities, and governments work together, plastic pollution can be reduced faster than ever. The truth is, plastic is easy to use but hard to erase. Every small change matters. Every reusable bag, every glass bottle we use, we say no to plastic. We help the earth breathe a little better. Let's help our kids to protect the earth at home, at school, and everywhere in between. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tales and Facts by Winnie, where stories create change.